Hello guys, this is WunderTrading and we carry on with our free TradingView strategies which you can easily apply at WunderTrading and start trading immediately. Today's bot is going to be about the Keltner channel and how we applied it. So basically in this bot we're using three main indicators. The first one is the trend indicator that we use in most of our bots, which is just the intersection between the exponential moving average and the simple moving average. The Keltner channel itself that you can see in front of you, and the directional movement system, which is gonna support the entry. This is a trend-based strategy, and it's only provided for the long strategies. Based on that, the entry for this strategy is going to be located just when the price is going to close above the Keltner's channel with the certain conditions of volume and the directional movement that you can see in the Pine editor itself. The strategy backtest is quite nice. It provides you with the 77% profitable deals, and at the same time the profit factor is also not that bad, 2.2. There is a nice and steady curve of the results, but at the same time I have to warn you that the total number of closed trades is not that big, and we're using the 15-minute time frame for the Link USDT pair. This bot can be a nice addition to your overall system because it's not firing quite often. However, the percentage of profitable deals is quite high. So if you combine this bot in particular with any other bots that you can find in our platform, this will give you a nice diverse portfolio of bots. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned with our new bots and new strategies for TradingView that you can easily apply at WunderTrading. And best of luck with your trading.